Here we are, back at Firefighter Campfight's house. I'm going to do split pea soup. It's the new year, almost 2020, and right now it's the 31st of December. It's my birthday. I'm 42 years old. I'm getting old. I actually am getting fat, so I'm trying to lose weight. So I'm doing this healthy dish. Now, I couldn't find split peas anywhere. Anywhere. I went to like 4 or 5 grocery stores. I went to like Fresh and Easy. There's no Fresh and Easy. I went to Safeway. I went to Trader Joe's. I went to Zanotto's. I went to like, you name it, right? Like Whole Foods. No. Well, I looked up lentils. And lentils have more fiber and more protein than actually split peas. Now, do they taste as good? So, 1 bag of lentils right here. Lentils. This is just an example. Went to my local Mexican market. It's amazing. So this is 1 pound. This is over 2 right here. 2 cups of lentils. So you want to use 2 cups of lentils? We're going to pour it in. So that's our first ingredient. 2 cups. Bye-bye lentils. We're going to go over that. We're going to go 2.5 cups. So it's over what I was saying. So you want to go a little bit over. 2.5 cups. Now it's my birthday. I'm celebrating. So whatever. So we have a little bit of champagne. We're having a good time. This is 2.5 cups right here. 2.5 cups of lentils. I actually want more because I need more fiber because I need to lose like 40 pounds. So like it's gonna work, right? 2.5 cups, a little bit more. So right here. We're gonna go. We need 8 cups, 2 quarts. That's 8 cups. Oh, this is already open. You already opened this? I didn't open this. Whatever. So, so we need 8 cups of chicken broth. I'm not going to the bathroom. Come on, 8 cups. All right, let me go like this. All right, let me just pour it in here. Okay, so this is a total of 8 cups. That's 2 cups. So we need 8 cups. Excuse me, 8 cups. So that probably was 4. So we need an additional cup more here. That's 2 more. So this is total of 8, right? So we got 8 cups. So we want 8 cups. Now we need pepper. So we need like a tablespoon of pepper. This is cracked pepper. I'm just going to do like this and go like right above it. Now you can grind it, you can do whatever you like. You can add more as you go. You don't necessarily have to do it right when you're cooking it. But like this right here, this kind of helps a little bit. It's fresh pepper. Now, I'm going to do a couple other things here. We have a ham bone. So they request 1 ham bone, like 1.5 pounds. This right here is 2.1 pounds. You can buy it at your grocery market. Just kind of put it in there. Boom, right in there like that. It's going to give it some flavor, okay? Boom, ham bone. Garlic. Now this is the tricky one. So I talk to you about garlic all the time. I love garlic. I use it everywhere I could have an opportunity. It's 1 bag. This is 1 like basically not clove, but this is 1 bulb. So I'm going to put it in here. So I'm going to go ahead, put it in my blender. So my blender here. I'm going to go ahead, slap it into place, and you're going to see we're going to blend it up with a little bit of olive oil, give it some flavor. So it's basically like 1 bulb. We're going to go ahead, put some olive oil in there, just like so. They say a teaspoon of salt, right? Like a teaspoon. Like, it's not going to hurt you, right? So this is sea salt. So you use sea salt right here. Himalayan sea salt. Just a little bit. Not crazy amount. Because, you know, you're gonna be able to season it as you go. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to blend that up right here. And it's not plugged in. Let me go ahead and plug that in. Okay, so just blended garlic. We're going to pour it in. it's gonna, this is my crock pot. So the crock pot, I'm gonna set it, right? So you set it for like 4 hours, I'm gonna turn it on, slow cook, and I'm gonna go 4 hours. So I go start timer. Now, a couple other ingredients that we need. Now we need onions. We need 2 onions. I'm gonna chop these guys up. We're gonna do, they say like 4 carrots. Honestly, I mean, you need variety, you need spice, you need flavor, right? So go ahead, and we got like I don't know, 6 small carrots here. So I'm gonna do 6 small carrots. I'm gonna cut those up. Celery stalks. They say like 4 or whatever. You could do like 4, 5, 6, whatever. Let's do 6. Okay. So I'm just gonna open this guys up right here. I'm gonna do 6 a stalk right here. Cut that up. So you want to dice it up kind of fine, and you want to put it in there. Now, 4 hours later, this is going to taste amazing. So stay tuned. I'm going to chop up some stuff. You're going to see me work, and we're going to get to work. And then in 4 hours from now, we're going to have the final product. I'm going to show you how it is, how it tastes, and you're going to love it. You're going to love it as much as I do, as much as my family does. And you're going to watch me lose weight. So every week for 2 weeks, whatever like that, side note here, I'll be losing like probably 30, 40 pounds. So anyway, stay tuned and talk to you soon. Okay, we're back. So I got 2 onions. I got like 6 carrots. I have the ham bone, right? It's gonna kind of get all in there. 8 cups of fluid, which would be like chicken broth, vegetable broth, water. So I did like 50-50. I did chicken broth and water. We did like celery. We did like one whole chopped, like stalk. Thank you. And so we got all that stuff done. Now we're ready to go, right? So this is like basically 1.5 bags of lentils. You can do split peas. That's amazing. I did 2 bay leaves. Now we're gonna let it go for 4 hours on slow cook. It's gonna cook down. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be flavorful. It's gonna be basically like split pea soup. Very healthy and good for you. So delicious and nutritious, as my buddy Dave says. So follow me. Let's continue. In 4 hours, we're going to check back in, and Firefighter Cafe is going to have a delicious meal for you. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. New Year's Eve. Hey, we're all good. Everything's ready. It's late at night. We just got back from like a cool place, Great America. My birthday, 42 years old. Now, the lentil soup, split pea soup, is amazingly ready. Tastes delicious. I checked it out right here. It took like 4 hours. 4 hours. Now this is the crock pot. You can do it in the pressure cooker. You can do whatever you want. You can put it in a double cooker. My wife wants it. She's right over there. She's like watching me right now. She's feeding my baby, my 7-week-old Nico. Now this right here. See that steam? Can you smell it? It's amazing. So here it is, lentil soup, high fiber, good protein, a lot of vegetables, good for you. It's gonna make me lose my weight I need to lose. I need to lose like 40 pounds. Like, I can't believe I weigh 240 pounds. Anyway, that's it. So thanks for joining. Happy New Year's. I am 42 years old. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. And that's it. Do. Happy birthday to me. Getting old. And lentil soup. Make it at home. Try it out. Work with me. Weight loss challenge. Other than that, make it just for your family. Everybody loves it. Right now it's like 10 o'clock at night because we're down late. Anyway, I'm gonna give her soup because she's demanding. Anyway, Firefighter Capretta, thanks for joining.